Hey, so in this video, I'm just simulating an actual, like how you actually install it. So this is the Atom AR2 AI robot camera. It auto tracks any movement, So I just install it here as if you're installing it in an actual light socket. So this is not powered on right now. I've reset this camera and it's ready to go. So once you plug this in or put it in an actual socket and flip the switch to the on position, you're gonna have to wait about a minute or two before it actually cycles, goes through the power cycling process. And then you have to wait until the camera says something. Let's wait for that one. Okay, as you can see right now, the camera rotates by itself. It's part of the power cycling process.
Wow, is this my new home? I am so glad to be out of that box. It is nice to meet you. This place is fantastic. Now please download the app and install me right away. Ready for installation.
Okay, so once you hear that one, ready for installation, then you're gonna have to go through the Amaryllo app and then take it from there. They got pretty good instructions. One thing I do want to mention is that you have to make sure that if your phone is currently connected to the 5G connection of your Wi-Fi, please go to your phone settings first and then make sure you that you're connected to, or change from 5G connection to the 2G connection, because this camera only supports 2G connection, like the older type of Wi-Fi connection when Wi-Fi first came out. That's what it is. So please do take note of that one. Thank you.